Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2013 BMW F800GS Standard. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2013 BMW F800GS Standard with 21,010 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS heated grips and an electronic suspension. It's been upgraded with BMW saddlebags and a BMW top case, an extended windscreen, a headlight guard, hand guards, engine guards, and a skid plate. Powered by a 798cc parallel twin engine, the F800GS puts 85 horsepower and 63 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 4.3-gallon fuel capacity, the F800 has a 180 to 220 mile range. It has a 35-inch seat height and a 456-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 5/30 seconds and the rear at 11/30 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are paint blemishes on the fuel tank. This bike has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.